Guys, this is your girl Shay and welcome back to another dose of Shay. So today I got a couple outfits that I wanted to show you guys. I haven't did like a real try on haul, but I'm noticing that that's like what everybody likes. Excuse the nails, I had a nail appointment today, but I was on babysitting duty most of the day, so it is what it is. So let's get into it. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me. I also do Get Ready With Me on TikTok, so if you want to see extra of me and get your daily dose, please follow me on TikTok at A Dose of Shay. My Instagram is A Dose of Shay as well, so everything is A Dose of Shay. My Facebook is Daily Dose of Shay. This two-piece blue suit is it's fire. First off, I did size up because I know that I have more here. I wish I would have like downsized on the pants, but it did come as a set for Fashion Over. It definitely much holds the girls. Really tight. It's not giving like a true like booty dupe moment, but it's cool because, you know, baggy is in now. The pants are like extra long, so I definitely would have to do heels. They have a drawstring at the bottom though, so maybe I can like draw it up if I wanted to do gym shoes, but y'all know, if y'all been here for a while, I'm a heel girl, so that's fine. Honestly, you can just dress this look up and it's just like so bomb. But I was thinking, like, what if I want to dress it down, wear some flats, or I'm going to Hawaii? What if it's just going to be like a chill outfit? Also one of my newer pieces. Everything will be linked below so y'all can find it. But I just wanted to see, is this a moment? So this is a varsity jacket. Of course I love it because it got the S. Oh yeah, that's definitely a moment. That's definitely giving dress down, but it's so cute. Okay, cool. So yeah, I like that. Everything below, like I said, I did size up, and I'm glad I did because it fits like it needs to fit up here. It's kind of loose down here, but I also feel like if I wash it, and you know, I'll get a couple wears out of it. Like if I wash it and dry it, I'll definitely get a couple wears out of it. So this is outfit number 1. Okay, let's continue on with this. Let me just start off, like, I feel like this is a no for me personally. I sized up for reasons, excuse me, tatas, but I sized up for a reason because I thought that I wanted it to fit tight because it's a tight dress, but it's not giving what it's supposed to. First off, the quality is it's giving plastic bag-ish. I feel like it looks nice on me. I definitely would have to like layer it or play with it. It's giving, wait, let me just tell you why. I don't think that this will be a one and done outfit for me because of the material. It was a struggle to get in it, first and foremost. Sorry guys, but it was a struggle to get in it, and I don't know if like I'm in love with it. Like maybe I have to like dress it up. I actually thrifted this jacket from a thrift store, and it's Lauren Conrad. So let's just see. And I love it. It's actually new. Okay, so this is kind of like more like my styles, like with some tall boots, cowgirl boots, or something like that. This is kind of like more me. I'm not saying I don't like the not hoish look, but I don't like the slutty look. But this dress is just, you know, giving a little too much for me. Like I want, like if you walk in the room, I want somebody to like imagine. Oh, I can imagine how she would look. This just gives the full like, this is what it is. So yeah, I would definitely do this. Pay attention to these details on the sleeve, girl. So yeah, I could definitely do it with something like this, with some cowgirl boots. Yeah, okay. So it's a maybe. I'm not gonna say no. First I was just like, no, it is what it is, but I'm gonna give it a strong maybe, okay? Next shirt is from Zara, cargo pants, Fashion Nova. Was there a struggle to put these on? Child, yes. Yes, there was a struggle. Just check out my booty. I wanted to show you guys before I like tighten them up. It's very much on my butt, and I thought I was like sizing up on these. I did like them because of all the strings and, you know, the aesthetics. But I definitely think it might have to go back and get a size up to fit how I want them to fit. It's very much cute though. This is right here. It's for show. It's for show. It does not move. Yeah, it's for show. So this is kind of like the outfit. This is an outfit that I would like definitely pair together. They have you know, the elongated pants. They also have these ties at the end. This is something like I definitely will wear together and definitely make it a moment, a statement piece. It's definitely the shirt because it gives it more like a dressy type feel. Accessorize it. But am I loving the jeans? I mean the cargo pants. No. I'm not loving them just because I think I should have went a size up. But still, overall, it's cute. But it like smushes my butt too. I like the design. It has one pocket and then like this one doesn't. You know, it is what it is. But honestly, I would not do anything different with this look because I would probably just dress this down and then do a bag and some shades or do a trench coat and some shades. So this is like probably the look I would definitely like do. So this is outfit 3. Let's continue on. So another bustier, you guys, this is the one. This is like my favorite. Okay, favorite. Okay, one more time, favorite. It's so stretchy. I definitely sized up. You'll see my size. I just paired it with these. I probably would not wear it because these are very much like looser. Like these pants, so I did want to kind of just show you guys these. These are a little bit more baggy, and then the materials are kind of the same. But I just wanted to show you like these pants. So let me show you what I would wear with these pants, being that they're so loose, which I do love. And at the bottom, if you can see at the bottom, they scrunch up. Kind of gives like jogging pants type feel, like because they're like so much bigger. So let me just show you guys what I possibly could pair this with, but this is very much a moment within itself. So let me just give y'all a close-up. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. This shirt is doing what it needs to do. Okay, it comes like corset style here, and then it comes off the shoulder. This is like definitely something I would wear. This is like giving sexy yet dressed down. What? I'm in love with this top. I'm in love. I definitely sized up on the top, but I'm in love. And it's holding the girls, okay? It's holding the girls. It's doing what needs to be done. I'm not mad at it. Sorry about my hair keep switching back and forth, you guys, by the way, because I mean the hair does what it wants. So it's just like moving back and forth. I had this little cute style. It just keep moving. So it's just moving with the outfits, okay? So it kind of look better with this. But anyway, okay guys, so this is, I've been waiting to get my hands on one of these fringe skirts, but not at the, you know, boutique level prices. So this is from Fashion Nova. The bralette is also from Fashion Nova, so it's just a bralette, and then the Fashion Nova skirt is how it looks from the back. It's very long, but it's very like stretchable. And then I paired it with this Chicago, because you know I'm a Chicago girl, but I paired it with the Chicago like crop top jacket. This jacket, I feel like it's like timeless, and it's, y'all gonna see it, okay? Y'all gonna see me wear it a couple times. Y'all gonna see it in a couple videos. Y'all gonna see it, because yeah, this is one of them timeless rep your city jackets, and I love it. So like I love it together. It's definitely like, it's definitely a fit. It's just doing what it needs to do. Okay, next outfit. To show you guys this vest that I got. So this is the same outfit that you just previously seen. Same skirt, white in the bralette. But I wanted to show you guys with this, because like these are in now, but I got this from Fashion Nova. I probably, because it's like too exposed, I probably would wear like a turtleneck, a white turtleneck or something, and then do that type of moment. But I just want to show you guys, like, don't be afraid to switch it up and make your looks pop. Like sometimes you're gonna wear it up, wear it down. You can wear this with a graphic tee, tie it up with some gym shoes. Like, do you, boo. Like, wear how you want to wear it, okay, you guys? So I like this outfit. I had to sit the girls up a little bit more than expected, but the shirt is Fashion Nova and the pants are Fashion Nova, which I love these pants. If you get these, be careful because it's kind of like stockings on the the mesh, and with the mesh it was kind of, I kept hearing like rips, but I kept checking, or like just be careful with it. But other than that, they're so stretchy, they're so comfortable. It feels really, really soft on my skin. It really makes my ass look good, but I will say you can see everything, so I might put some Spanx on with these because you know I got little dimples in my booty. But this is definitely an outfit that I will wear. I would enjoy wearing. I can have fun. You know, it's giving city girl a little bit. Let's see if I tuck it in. Do I like that better? I think I like that better tucked in. No, just to roll it, fix it. Yeah, I think I like that better. Yeah, I think that works for me because it kind of like looks like a little look with a little bit of skin in the back. I like this. This is the outfit. Okay, you guys, as we end this haul, I'm gonna end on a light note. So I have this shirt from a while ago, I think the summer, and I just could never find an outfit to go with it until bam, I got these jeans from Fashion Nova. Y'all, they're so stretchy. Go get these. They're stretchy. I did not size, well, did I size up? I think I've sized up once because I didn't know. So the shirt is definitely giving. This is the outfit. Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova. Everything will be linked below, you guys. So thank you. This haul, I want you guys to know that I appreciate everybody who has subscribed to me, who hit that bell, who follows me on my Instagram and my TikTok, which is also a dose of Shaye. Make sure that you're subscribed, tell people about me, share it, post it. Thank you so much. Love y'all.